Who has sent the request for recording?
SSV, Venkatesh.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank
Well, I forgot it, I'm sorry. Okay,
you.
and then you make here as update. Okay, so what will happen when you pass the update, this update will call automatically. Now go back to your index.cshtml. Here, not this one. Where is that edit.cshtml? Yeah, here. Here you see button primary, right? There, instead of using, yeah, btn hyphen outline. Why btn is not there? Primary. Let it be. Okay, here you say what is your tag helper controller? ASP hyphen controller equal to product and ASP hyphen action equal to update method, and then ASP hyphen route hyphen product ID equal to product ID. Now you all understand this one? This one will generate. This is the tag helper. This tag helper will help you to generate a link. Now you
So,
see here.
need to pass the model
Which
model at product ID. Na?
Yeah, sorry. At model dot product ID, and the same product ID and this should be matched. Okay. Similar fashion, this product ID should match your controller. And this product ID should match. Now save, try to run it. Nagendra. Now you see here, put a breakpoint for edit. Now you see I have an update. Now click on edit. You see I got the product ID. And product ID will start executing the data. Now you got the data. And then you say 25,000. Forget about this binding. Binding will do later point of time. I think the binding should work earlier. I don't know why it is not working. Description is what is my product name? Vivo. Why double edit is coming? Right is okay. Now I understand. You remove this here. Now click on edit. Now you see I got a product ID. I give Vivo. I'm giving 25,000 and description is Vivo process, and then choose a file with this image. Wider. come on. I do one thing. I remove this one. What I'm going to do here in the product controller, view bag dot product ID equal to product ID dot string. Okay, and then I'm taking this one, copy. I say here at the rate Who is AA? Who is AA? Can you change your name? Hello?
Yeah, sir, I changed.
Okay. Amar,
Yes, sir.
are you said correct only, right? Yesterday we had a discussion, right?
Yes, 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 yes.
Again, why it is the problem? We go. $23,000. మస్తాన్ చెప్పు మస్తాన్ చెప్పు ఆఫీస్ ఇంట్లో లేదు కాల్ చేస్తా 10 నిమిషాలు నేనే పిలుస్తాను ఏ కమాన్ మ్యాన్ Let me do freshly. Okay. I do one thing. Here I'm going to use go to definition instead of product model, product add request. Okay, keep this mind. Go to implementation. Okay. Everybody able to understand? See, I made a small change, Ganesh,
Okay.
Judy, Mailsami, Venkat. Okay. So what the change is, I just changed into add request. Now I'm coming here. First, I will create a div class container. Okay. Under which div pass row MB-4. Okay. And then first what I will do here, I'll create this. And I take this one also so that you can easily understand. This entire div comes under this. Now, if you run it, now I click on edit, go to action. You see, you got the edit product. Everybody able to see this? Say yes or no?
Yes.
Now go to edit and this div here I will add form method is post enc type equal to multi-part form data. So inside this only, I'm going to update the data. Why? Because whenever you make an edit, this data should be submitted back to the server. I got my point. So this one, okay, and then let me build the row. Div class row mb-3, okay, and then label class call-sm-3, and then call-form-label. Okay, here I'm going to say I don't need anything. Simply I'm going to use product ID. Okay. Now this product ID need to be displayed in the next subsequent column. So what I will do, I will use div class call-sm-6. See, okay, sm-8. There you can have an input text. Input type equal to, input type is not required. Just say class form-text. Okay, form text, and you can mention read only value equal to add view bag dot. So how to get the view bag dot in the product controller? You added this one, right? You copy this product ID, paste it. Now we'll see how it is happening. Submit. And click on edit. You see all the data. Now you got the product ID. Say yes or no. Everybody.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Now go back to your edit. Okay. And then copy the same div once again. Copy this entire div. Paste here and say here product name. Product name. Okay. And then you need to have one more attribute, ASP-for, where you are going to describe your model. What is your described model? In the product controller, product add request, go to definition, your product name. To copy this product name, paste here. And then go back. You see, this is the one we need to work. Okay. You had row MB, column S3. You can simply say column S4. This is your column S4. Okay. And ASP product name you had, right? You cut this. Yeah, you got a ASP product name. And then you create an input class form text. You remove ASP-for equal to product name. And then you will have a span class text hyphen danger ASP hyphen for equal to product name. Okay, now you see, you got the span tag, you got everything. No, here you remove span tag. Now you got the input tag, you got the span tag. Now you see the difference. Input class form text, class ASP for is product name. I got it. The same thing will be happen. Now let's build the project and see whether data you are getting. If the product name comes properly, the rest will work as it is. Now click on edit and try to get the data. See, you got the data of Vivo product. Say yes or no. Product name is
Yes.
Vivo
Yes.
and your product ID is 5006. Now see, something wrong, man.
So we need to pass that value equal to.
Not required. Not required. It should work actually. You see here. You see here. That is where I'm
Yes,
getting
sir.
confused. This system is not taking data or what, I don't know. I think because of semicolon, tag helper is not working. Oh my God. What is the issue, you know? Everybody? Can anyone tell me what is the issue?
We add that column.
Everybody. Ganesh.
You
Judy.
remove the semicolon, as
If I
delete
put semicolon
semicolon.
here, it is considering as a statement. It is not considering as a tag. That is why it is not working. See, a minute mistake made a lot of, I don't know what to say. A minor mistake, a small semicolon will create a lot of hell. You see here, data will not bind. See, Venkat, just simple thing. I remove this. Now we can play. Now we can play with, first let's do the implementation of button. So now here, div class row mb-3. Okay. Here I'm going to say Let me take something. Let's better have this one. Do class. What is a class? Offset -sum4 and call -sum-4 d-grid. Okay, these are all the classes I need to put, and then I'm going to use this submit. Okay. Now go back to your controller. Here it is an update or edit. It should be update only. Let's see. It should be edit only. Now you see. No need to change this one. Simply change edit. Okay, and make here product add request, product add request, save all, run. Milesani, go for a mute.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Click on edit. Continue. See, you got it. Now click submit. See, you got the product name. Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
You got it. Oh, wow. I'll be happy now. Now close it. Now go back. Let's copy this and say here product description. Okay. And then go to where is my product model added request. Here in the request, copy this description, paste, paste, paste. But there is a small change. This should be text area. Now go back. Product name, brand, category, price, description. Now you have to use description, text area, form text is there. Here you say type equal to number, and then ASP for is text area. Here you have to say text area so that ASP description will be added. Now copy this, paste. In this, I have to take product cost. I'm pasting cost, pasting cost, pasting cost. Here you have to say, where is my create? In the create, how I'm including the cost. Product file. Yeah, type equal to number. You have to include this in your type so that I got the cost. Done, everybody? Now go
The
back.
product description type is text, sir.
Come again.
Product description.
See, product description is a text area. Why I
Yes,
am
sir, you are
typing is it's a number of lines. When I say type equal to number, it will have number of lines.
okay, sir. Okay.
Here it is an input text box. It will accept only numeric. That is why I'm using type. Okay. Now go to create. Let me take the image. This is my file image. Copy this entire file image. Go back, paste it. Now, this is basically SBMP3. Call SM, call form label. I have to use form label as call form label. And then come back, ASP4 is equal to product file. So that product image input type equal to form control ASP file. ASP validation is product file, class text danger. Now save, run. Click on edit. Click on continue. See, you got everything. Say yes or no, everybody.
Yes.
Yes.
Guys, please, everyone should say, I will be happy. Everyone unmute and say, is it right?
Yeah,
Satish.
right.
Yes. Right.
Okay. So the problem is what?
Yes.
The problem is very simple. What is that problem?
Semicolon.
Semicolon will made a mistake. One semicolon will leads you into problem. I got my point. So this semicolon will make a mistake for the past 2-3 days. Otherwise, everything is working fine. Now go back, click on support a file, take an image, submit. Now you see, you got the data?
Yes.
Everything you got
Yes.
the data? Now, what is the next step? Next step is, moment I receive the data, what I need to do is, first check your request. How to validate your request? Anyone can tell me? Tell me how to validate the request. Go to your create, product, and take this one. Go to edit, not edit, edit product, update this. If anything is an error, you need to pass. Simply pass this return view. No need this one, this one. Okay. If anything is not valid, it will not work. That is the first thing you have to make. Because you need to make an error. Now you see, if I'm not updated the file, what will happen? Or I am removing some data. What will happen? You see. Now click on edit. Continue. Now you see I am removing this. I am removing this. Now click on submit. You got a product image file is mandatory. Say yes or no.
Yes.
So this is how it will work. Okay. Now go to this one and come back. Before redirection, what you need to do? Before redirection, what you need to do? Tell me. Come on, you have to speak. You need to build the product image, right? You need this code, right? Because you are uploading an image. Go to edit. You paste it. There you say product add request. You copy this product add request dot product file name, product add request dot product file. Now you got it. Once you build this, what you need to do? You need to pass this as a front-end service layer. So how to pass this into the service layer? What you need to do in the service layer? You need to create an update method, right? Public void update product of product add request. Right? Will this method will call directly from that? What do you
No.
need to do? Come again? Will the method will call automatically?
No, it won't work.
Why?
Need to call the
Yes.
service.
Need
Call
to
the service.
need to register this in your contract.
Service file.
Here you need to register.
Yes.
Otherwise, it will not work. Because the object will be created for this iProduct service, not for the product service class. Am I right?
Yes, yes. Whatever the service
Yes.
interface is available, then only we will get it into the
Yeah,
component.
request not equal to null. First, you need to check request not equal to null. Products equal to new of products. Right? This is how you have to build. But the beauty is you don't have a product ID. Right? So what you need to do? You need to create int product ID, comma. So here product ID equal to product ID. The variable what you are getting, you have to pass. Here name, not file name, simply say product name, description, cost, what else you need? Product file name. What else you need, ma? Come on, you need to speak. Total
GST.
GST. Request won't get the GST.
We need to do the manual.
Request has a GST, right? Yeah. Request won't get the GST. Okay. So you got everything. Now what you need to do? You need to pass this products equal to create GST of products. Because the moment you change that, the GST will be called. Am I right? Am I right or wrong? Once you bind the data, this data will call the GST. Once it has been done, what do you need to do? What do you need to do? Here you need to call this dot product DB context dot update of products. This dot product DB context dot save changes. Now you update the product. Now run the project. Build error. What is the error? Product service doesn't implement. Okay, fine. Now I understand. Go to okay, wait. Let's go take an update. Copy this entire signature. Go to I product service. Update the signature. Then save the signature. Run it. Click on edit. Now you see I got everything. Here I'm going to change 23,000. Here I'm going to change Vivo X20. And we are going to change here Vivo X20. Choose a file. Click on this image. Submit. What? Something wrong. Changes not happening. Okay. We did a small mistake. What is that mistake? In the controller, this dot product service. You need to call that, right? Update product ID, comma, product add request. See, we never call this one. Okay, now you see. Now you click on edit. Put Vivo X20. Put Vivo X20. Just make 23,000. Now go back. You see there is a breakpoint. Click click on image. Select the image. Submit. Now you see I got the request. Everybody say yes or no?
Yes.
Got the request or not? Product add request as a file name, which was created by today. See 0107 11:33:47 AM. Okay. Now click on here. Now you see I got the request. Now the request has been mapped. Now you see the request has been mapped to the product. You got the cost, you got everything except GST and total cost is not there. When I F11, You see GST is creating, and that cost will be given back. Now you go and see the product, you see all the data is coming. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Everybody. The moment it got that, now you go and make a save changes. It's updated to the database. When I return, VWave 620 will be comes here. Now you see. See, it make a change. Everything make the change. The data is changed or not? Say yes or no.
Yes, it is.
Okay. So this is called editing. Now I'm going to remove the breakpoint and I will show you through live. I'm removing this breakpoint. Now I'm trying to change this one. I'm changing into Samsung. Okay, product name is Samsung S3. Okay, I'm taking this one as Samsung X3. My cost will be 40,000. Now you all listen this carefully. I created a Samsung image. Where is the image of Samsung? Let's take this one image. Now see, I got everything. Click submit. You made a change. You see the change as edit. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now click on delete. It is deleting. This is called creating, updating, deleting, and listing. Everybody clear with this? Say yes or no? Ganesh,
Yeah.
Judy, Maithami, Satish,
Clear.
Yes.
Clear.
Venkat, Asavi. That's
Yeah,
all
yeah.
for today. Tomorrow we are going to build the API for this. Okay. I created a product. Tomorrow I'm going to build the API for this. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you guys. We'll meet on tomorrow.
Yeah. Thank you.